Hey, what's up, BTT coin holders? I have a two good news is for all holders, but kindly subscribe this channel and please, if you subscribe this channel, I will give you 100% guarantee you will earn a lot of money from crypto. So subscribe this channel. The two good news is that, my friend, to first of all, in the start of month, my brother, 100% I will make my previous video, my friend, for you. To in the 1st November, the very good event is coming soon. So first of all, don't miss this event. And the second, my friend, on the 5th November, the very huge explosion is coming soon, my friend. So and this explosion is 100%, my friends, make you a millionaire. Why I tell you this to in the 5th November? Because expert predicate this coin, I also predicate this coin. I research very hardly, my friend, for all of you now to what's new on 5th November, my friends. So I found it, my friends, true, and the 5th November definitely the prices will pumping up, and the CEO of BTT, my friends, personally predicate, my friends. So sorry, personally says to in upcoming time we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So 100%, my friend, if they will start in collaboration, then my friends, they will make you a millionaire now. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to before 5th November. Before 5th November you will do this, 100% you will get a profit, my friends. If you starting buying on 1st November, 100%, my friend, the price is slowly moving upward on 1st November, but after the 5th November they will suddenly starting moving upward, and we will never expect this, my friend, but 100% this is reality, my friend. Our prediction, our, my friends, technical analysis 100% says that, my friends, to after the 5th November there is a 100% chance to BTT price will completely, my friends, make a record and go to the moon. So therefore this is very huge explosion coming soon. Please don't miss this chance, my friends. Take a good profit, and my friends, hope you will understand. And this time, many congratulations, my brother, first of all, to at the end of month. You can see here on 28, my friends, you can see, my friend, October, this time 12 hour 3.28% the price increase. So I think this is also very good news for all of you, my friends, to BTT price will increase now. So thanks for watching, holders. Kindly, holders, please, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel, and also like video. Allah Hafiz, take care.